to Plumbing Solutions Educational Series. In this episode, a real quick episode here, I decided I'd come out here in the training center. Out here in the training center, we're under construction, so safety glasses, hard hat, wear your gloves, all your PPE for being out here. But this episode is going to be about the handsaw. Now, this is probably one of the most primitive tools that you've got in your toolbox. And the history on this guy goes back thousands and thousands and thousands of years and actually predates recorded human history. So we don't have an inventor, we don't have any patents on this thing or anything like that. And something I'd like to show you about all these plumbing saws, they're going to have a little knob, and all of them are going to have a couple positions you can put them in, so you can get different angles of bite on that saw, or you can get it in tighter places. The other thing is these blades will wear out, and you can simply replace it, keeping your handle, saving a little bit of money. But to make your cut, of course, you're going to measure your pipe, and then you're going to lay it out, get it somewhere where you can get on it, and go. Really simple, really easy to use, but just remember, whenever you're cutting pipe, you're going to have some little plastic burrs around here. Now, if you're wearing gloves or something like that, you can wipe it off with your hand, get most of that out of the way. I have seen on slab houses, guys actually take the pipe and roll it across the concrete to remove those little pieces of plastic. And some of your older plumbers, have seen them take a pair of channel locks, and they'll go up in there like this and ream that pipe out to get all of that stuff out of there, because it can mess up your glue joints and it can cause leaks later on. So that's it. That's how to use your handsaw.